Hello handsome, hello gorgeous. Today I'm back with another video finally, and I'm going to show you guys our empty house tour, unofficial. My name is Tanisha Marie, and if you haven't already subscribed, feel free to go ahead and do that now. And yeah, so here we have our living area. Once you walk in the home, we just seen the closet to our left once you walk in. Then we have our fireplace. And then next to that is our dining area. Then you walk through, and to your left is your extra bathroom, the half bath. And then you walk into the kitchen. The kitchen was pretty gross, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this is the fridge that we're getting rid of. Even though our cleaning lady did do a really good job cleaning that. Shout out to her. Then we have the pantry. It could be better, but it's good space compared to what we once had.
No wonder they said that.
Oh, this is yours. They accidentally opened it. It's just insurance stuff. So you can take that.
Oh yeah.
They always do.
Okay.
When you buy a new place, they always send it to the new place.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
what they
this
said
is
that is. Look at this shit.
Yeah,
Well,
kitchen's pretty
put
bad.
new doors on.
Yeah, I didn't even open the cabinets. See, yeah, gonna be. You hiring a maid? You said. Oh, they got a Samsung dishwasher. I'm sure this needs replaced. Oh, good. I got an outlet. It's gonna be my coffee. See, you can put a wall right here.
So are you gonna make that your office?
Yeah.
Is that gonna be your office?
Yeah.
It's definitely a fixer-upper. Oh, it's not. Where is
Oh
that?
yeah, that's one of your rooms.
Are they coming to get this stuff or no?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have a month to do so, babe.
No, I'm just wondering. You know what? Hey, we'll buy your lawnmower. We gonna need one.
Yeah, that's right.
We don't have one. At least I already got shelves.
So what's this one here?
That's the office.
Oh, so I don't need you guys.
Okay, these the
Oh,
carpets gotta go.
We went to your bedroom. Oh, that means like you also have to clean it.
No, this is all coming up.
What is this gonna be something nice?
This is the loft area.
What
A
is
little
this?
bit ceiling fan.
What's this supposed to be?
It's a loft. It's like a little living area. Jackson, come here, buddy. Okay.
He was walking.
So we think this is gonna be Sarah and Zari's room. All right, if you're wondering why I'm doing a voiceover and in person, it's because the kids was a little rowdy and you probably couldn't hear what I was saying. But this is, for now, this is Sarah's room. That was her walk-in closet. Across from her room is the guest bath, or mainly the kids' bath, because the guests will use the restroom downstairs. This blue literally will have to go. We haven't gotten it taken down yet or covered up yet, but yeah. So the cleaning lady, once again, she did a really great job as far as cleaning, like the tub and the toilet, but we end up getting rid of the toilets eventually. So then from there, we have the master. This right here is Layla's room. We might keep most of the blue. One wall might stay blue. And then this is her walk-in closet. She was fussing that, oh, Jackson's bedroom closet is bigger, but it's literally the same, just facing different. So then this is Jackson's room for now. I think we end up switching this to Zaria's room and making Jackson's room downstairs. And then yeah. So then, yeah, once we leave out Jackson's room or Zari's room, not sure yet, this is our bedroom. It's pretty large, especially consider where we're coming from. So once again, we had a condo. We sold that and bought this house. And like I said, the kids was running around crazy. I was so excited. And this is our master bath, which is actually getting remodeled right now. And I will have videos for that once it get done. I've been filming, you know, pieces here and there. There's our double sink, our linen closet. And then we have the little potty, what they call those, water closets, I guess. I think I was saying I wish they would have had just, because the other houses that we seen, it was built the same, had a tub and a shower combo instead of, or a separate tub and shower, but whatever. This is potentially our shoe closet. I don't have a lot of clothes, my husband does, so that could be my closet, one's closet by design. And then this is the larger closet. Like I said, I really don't have a lot of clothes. I like to get rid of clothes that I don't wear, because most of the time that's what our closet consists of, is just clothes that we don't wear. And he's low-key a hoarder, so he says all his clothes. So yeah, come back downstairs. All right, guys, so this is a potential home that we're thinking about buying. It's gonna be our fixer-upper. And let's see, it has good light in here. Hey. So yeah, my camera ended up dying before I could finish, but I truly thank you guys so much for stopping by, you know, taking time out of your day and enjoying my video. And if you could like, because it truly help us grow. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.